Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pesto sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a generous bunch of fresh basil, about 100 grams, for that signature green color and aroma. We'll also use 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 4 to 5 walnuts for a creamy texture, and 1 clove of garlic. Don't forget 5 to 6 tablespoons of good quality. Now, let's start blending. In your chopper or food processor, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, along with your single garlic clove, 4 to 5 walnuts, and a small pinch of salt. Process these together until they are well combined and the oil starts to emulsify. This initial grind is crucial for breaking down the harder ingredients, ensuring a smooth base for your pesto. With the assembly out, identify the brake light bulb socket. It's usually the largest one. Twist the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Now, gently press down on the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise to pull it out. Take your new bulb, press it in, and twist clockwise until it's firmly seated. Your fresh pesto is now ready to enjoy. For the best flavor and color, it's ideal to use your pesto immediately after making it, as it tends to oxidize and darken quickly. It's fantastic with pasta, spread on toast, or even as a marinade for grilled chicken or paneer. If you want to preserve its bright green hue for a little longer, a helpful tip is to blanch your basil leaves briefly before blending.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.